Nepaišonės vietos lyja.
Žengiam kairę, žengiam dešinę.
Žengiam kairę, žengiam dešinę.
Labai mylim savo kraštą.
Labai mylim savo kraštą.
Vėliau mus kasdieną keliam.
Vėliau mus kasdieną keliam.
Ir į ežerą mes neriam.
Ir į ežerą mes neriam.
Kūriam ugnį, kūriam laužą.
Kūriam ugnį, kūriam laužą.
Ir suvaldom tą prikraunam.
Ir suvaldom tą prikraunam.
And then I have a bunch of batteries, and this is like this whole unit. That's how I travel. So it's a suitcase. It's not small. On the other hand, this one is just a cell phone right here. So if you have your cell phone in your pocket, this compresses down, and you can actually, with a strap, notice how many things you can hear it beeping because we're within this footage. So if I back up a little bit.
No, self-plane. Do self-plane.
So see how I have the camera aimed where I can see right where 90 degrees is almost? So I can actually, I can see where I'm landing.
No, just like that.
Good weather over here, over.
Yeah, good weather. What's your name there?
My name's Myas. What's yours?
I'm Maya. My name is Pete, like Papa Echo Tango Echo Pete. You get on ham radio. Is this your first time on ham radio?
It's my first time being near a radio.
All right. Well, it's a lot of fun. You can talk all over the world, and you can talk, a couple states away. It's very flexible. You can even do it with a walkie-talkie and go through a repeater. There's all kinds of fun things to do there. What did you guys have for breakfast today? Did you eat good?
Yeah. I had some cereal and French toast. Over.
Toast, my favorite.